It's October 24th, and it's about time to take this Brugmansia that I've been rooting and time to plant it up. It's got a lot of nice roots on it. Alright, these leaves are going to fall off because they're starting to turn yellow. There you go. But that doesn't mean anything. I'm just going to place it in the potting soil. Cover it up. Give it a little drink. And that should do it. I put some drainage holes down here and I punched 4 of them around the corner. So they should pick right up. I'll be getting new growth out of that in about maybe 3 or 4 days. And we'll just do the best we can with it. I know it's going to take. It had some good roots on it. Anyway, that's about it for this cutting. This was the cutting I took off that plant, last week sometime.